हरियाणाची भाजपा फुडारी सोनाली फोगाट हिच्या कुडीचेर हरियाणात निमणे संस्कार जावन लेगीत गोंयान हत्या प्रकरणाचें राजकारण सुरूच आसा। गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो सर्वेसर्वा विजय सरदेसाय हाणें मुख्यमंत्री डॉ प्रमोद सावंताचेर उतरांचे फार पेटयले। ज्या तरेन कला अकादमीच्या भ्रष्टाचारान कला आनी संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडेक मुख्यमंत्र्यान क्लीन चीट दिल्या, त्याच प्रमाण सोनाली फोगाट ह्या हत्या प्रकरणात तिच्या मरणाचें कारण काळजाचो आताक अशें जाहीर करून गुन्यांवकारांक क्लीन चीट दिल्या असो आरोप विजयान केला।
Controversy is that Goa, which is a tourism state, has a leader of the ruling party of India and the ruling party of the state dying. Her death is shrouded in mystery. Her family members say that it is a foul play. The post-mortem report says that there is blunt injury seen there. And the chief minister first only gives a clean chit. Chief minister is in the habit of giving clean chits these days. So Govind Gowde clean chit did. Kala Academy. Shah Jahan got clean chit on Taj Mahal. In this era, in 2022, Shah Jahan got clean chit, which Aurangzeb had not given. Aurangzeb and Shah Jahan clean chit diun alli Taj Mahal banpak. If you go to the history, you will come to know that one of the reasons he was imprisoned is because he overspent on building Taj Mahal. In today's era in Goa, Shah Jahan got a clean chit for building Taj Mahal. So our chief minister likes giving clean chits. So that way he gave a clean chit. हार्ट अटॅकान जालें म्हणून कार्डियक अरेस्ट दुसरे दिसा तुका मेडिकल रिपोर्ट अरे रिपोर्टूच येवना तुका कशें कळ्ळें सो वॉट आय वॉज ट्रायंग टू से इज दीस ब्रिंग्स अबाउट सस्पिशन नॉट ओनली इन दीस सेन्सिटीव केस बट ऑन द प्रिफिक्स दॅट ही यूज